Hello everyone, this is Shraddha with some of the updates which will surely help you in your UPSC and IAS exam. Israel shares high-end equipment with aims to combat COVID-19. Israel ambassador to India Dr. Ron Malka formally handed over AI-based high-end equipment and technology solutions to AIMS director Dr. Ramdeep Guleria on August 11, 2020. The high-end equipment includes a 12-hour disinfection product called CPD, which stays active on surface to protect them against new attacks of contamination, a non-invasive remote patient monitoring system that serves as a preliminary screening tool of respiratory indicators of suspected COVID-19 patients and recovering patients. The equipment also includes an AI-based software for ultrasound use, designed especially for fighting COVID-19. India had earlier helped Israel with medicines and safety gear. Israel has now sent the equipment, including robotic teleconsultation and telemonitoring equipment. Medals for excellence in investigation awarded to 121 police personnel, including 21 women officers. The Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Investigation for 2020 have been awarded to 121 police personnel. The medal was set up in 2018 with the aim to encourage high standards of crime investigation and to recognize the excellence of investigating officers. Among those received the awards, 15 police personnel belong to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI), 10 are from Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra Police, 8 from Uttar Pradesh Police, and 7 each from Kerala and West Bengal. The award-winning personnel also include 21 women police officers. So these were some of the current affairs which will surely help you in your UPSC and IAS exam. For more such updates, please subscribe to our channel Our Education and like and share the video.